Alright, today I'm gonna share to you how to make quizzes or exams in just 2 minutes. So what you will do is that you have to search BRISK teaching. Okay, after that you have to click BRISK teaching free AI tool for teachers. So click this one and then you click add to Chrome. After adding, you have to get the extension. Then you add the extension. After adding, so you can see this. Welcome to BRISK. You have to sign in using your school email. So click this one. After clicking, you have to choose an account. Okay, there, and then you have to answer the questions that will follow. Okay, subject, say for example, English. And for the grade level, second grade. School name, okay, say for example, there. Okay, Johnson Technological Institute. Okay, then for the school state, outside USA, and then how did you find? Okay, from a friend. Then click submit. There, so you can see this. After that, you have to create high quality material in just a second. So you have to open a new Google Doc. After opening, so you can see this. You find right with BRISK, and then I want to create a quiz, and that will be in English. So what should the quiz cover? This is just an example. It covers about verb. For the grade, second grade, it is a multiple choice and for 20 questions. After that, you have to BRISK it. Click. There. Okay, so these are the sample questions to be used in your quiz or your exams. There, 1 up to 20. Okay, if you want to get the answer key, just click this one, answer key, brisket. Okay, so these are the answer keys to your, or these are the answers to this exam. So this is how to make an exam or a quiz in just 2 minutes using BRISK teaching. Thank you for watching.